In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version Android. If you are seeing that message in the Google Play Store, it usually means app data is stuck. A recent update misfired, or your Android build is behind. The good news is you can clear it up in minutes. I will walk you through safe fixes using your phone settings. Menu names can vary slightly by device, but I will call out the common labels so you can follow along. Start by refreshing the Play Store's temporary files. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Store. Then open Storage. Tap Clear Cache to wipe temporary data that can confuse compatibility checks. Then tap Clear Data. This resets the Play Store app's stored preferences and can resolve stubborn errors without touching your purchases or subscriptions. When you reopen later, you may need to accept terms again. This quick cleanup often removes the incorrect not compatible flag that blocks installs. Next, make sure your Android system is up to date. Go to Settings, open System, then System Update. If an update is available, follow the on-face screen prompts to install it. Many apps require the latest Android patches or Play System components, and an outdated build can trigger the compatibility warning even if your hardware is supported. Updates can be sizable and might require sufficient battery or a Wi-Fi connection, so give your device time to complete the process. Once updated, your device has the newest compatibility libraries and security fixes. If the message persists, roll the Play Store itself back to its factory version. Open Settings. Go to Apps, select Google Play Store, and look for the three-dot menu or an option in the bottom menu. Choose Uninstall Updates and confirm. This does not remove the Play Store. It simply reverts it to the version that shipped with your device. A fresh, clean state can clear out a problematic update that misreports compatibility. The Play Store will automatically update itself again in the background after you've reverted. Finally, restart your device. Hold the power button and choose Restart. A clean reboot flushes temporary processes and resets background services that interact with the Play Store, which can be the last nudge needed to make everything line up. After you've done this, you should be able to browse and install without the compatibility error getting in the way. You've addressed the most common causes with safe, built-in tools. Thanks for watching.